I want to be a fox. Josh was going to be the rabbit. In the school play, he had to wear a tail and big ears. Josh didn't want to be the rabbit. I look funny, he said. Everyone will laugh. Of course, you'll look funny, said Emma. The rabbit will make everyone laugh, but I want to be the fox, said Josh. The next day, Mrs. Maxwell said, "Hop higher, Josh, hop faster, Josh. Make those ears flop. Make that tail bob. Try to be funny." Josh, said Mrs. Maxwell, oh my gosh, no. Josh, said Mrs. Maxwell, you're the rabbit. We want you to be the rabbit because you can make people laugh. All right, said Josh. But I rather be the fox. That evening, Josh talked to Dad. I don't want to be the rabbit, said Josh. I want to be the fox. You'll be a good rabbit, said Dad. You're good at making people laugh. What's why Mrs. Maxwell chose you? When Josh went to bed, he had an idea. If I couldn't be the fox, then he was going to be the fantastic rabbit. The next day, Josh put on his tail. He put on his big ears. He hopped high. He hopped fast. He bobbed his tail. He flapped his ears. He tricked the fox. The children laughed and laughed. "Ka-pie, Josh, that's just what we want," said Mrs. Maxwell. On the night of the school play, Josh waited at the backstage. "I hope I make everyone laugh," he said to Emma. "I'll feel bad if no one laughs." Emma smiled. "They will," she said. Soon it was Josh's turn to go on the stage. He hopped high and fast. His tail bobbed and his ears flapped. He tricked the fox again and again. The mums and dads laughed and cheered. They clapped and clapped. Later, everyone said, "You were a star, Josh." That was the best play